Hello everyone. Today we will learn one functionality which is filter out any component like when I click this button, then sorted our card which have more than 4 rating, it's a filter out. So let's understand how to do this. Here we use a useState. We give a default value from the mock data. Each useState hooks assign a default value in a race list. Here we print race list using map method. So this 5 component display default value. But when user click on this button, then we run one function which using filter method. So this default race list value filter with any name of attribute dot race rating. Race rating is the rating name of one object. So the compare with the value 4. If is greater than 4, then we add to list component, and we use set race list for changes variable. This set list, so the set race list is store updated value of our component. So which card have a greater than 4 rating, it's stored into set race list and it's update with our application UI.